Roborock Saros 20 review. Powerful, quiet, and smart, but is it worth $1,599? The $1,599.99. Saros 20 delivers powerful, quiet cleaning and strong obstacle avoidance, but struggles with high thresholds and some smart home integrations. The Roborock Saros 20 is a premium robot vacuum with 36,000 Pascal suction, advanced navigation, AdaptiLift, dual mops, heated cleaning, a 6,400 mAh battery, Matter, and SmartPlan 3.0. Setup and mapping were easy, while SmartPlan 3.0 adapts cleaning to your home and flooring. Dual-band Wi-Fi and reliable automation require minimal upkeep. The Saros 20's 36,000 Pascal suction effectively handled pet hair, crumbs, and food, while remaining surprisingly quiet even at maximum power. AdaptiLift handles thresholds up to 4.5 centimeters, but the Saros 20 sometimes struggled with a 3.84 centimeter doorway saddle. StarSight 2.0 uses 3D ToF and RGB sensing to recognize 300+ objects and reliably avoid toys and furniture. The Saros 20's dual spinning mops delivered effective, quiet cleaning, while AdaptiLift adjusts its height on carpets to maintain suction on pile heights up to 3 centimeters. The multifunctional dock washes mop pads with 100 degrees Celsius water and dries them with 55 degrees Celsius hot air, while its fresh air dust bag drying system helps keep the cleaning system hygienic between cycles. The Saros 20's RGB camera enables remote viewing and navigation, making it useful for checking rooms or monitoring pets. The Saros 20 supports Alexa, Siri, Matter, Google Home, and Hello Rocky, but some integrations can be confusing. Check compatibility before buying. The Saros 20's 6,400 mAh battery delivered excellent runtime, making it well-suited for large homes and multi-room vacuuming and mopping.
Go to GearBrain for more information.